Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tarikaremba. You know the vibes already. So in today's video, we are doing a sweat-proof, heat-proof, summer-proof wig install. So as you can see, there ain't no lace, baby. Where's the lace? Show me where the lace is. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how you can install your hair using just a few products. I'm gonna be using the EBIN range. So this video is in partnership with Sonke Concierge Services, which is a business that brings in products from the UK. Everything is sourced originally. They have products in their store. So the full range that I've used today, all of the EBIN products, the care, everything, and more that I didn't use in today's video are available in their stores. So I will leave a link to their Instagram down below so that you can be able to also contact them. They do deliver all over Zimbabwe, so don't even say, oh Tari, I'm giving you the plug. So yeah, they deliver in and around Harare, and of course they do deliver to other parts of Zimbabwe, which is a great thing. And of course, if you do want them to source other products for you from the UK, which are of course original, they also provide those services. So all the information is down below, but shout out to Sonke for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into it, guys. I know you guys want to know the tea. You guys want to know the tea. But yeah, let's get into it. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Just because it's summer, it doesn't mean you have to stop wearing your wigs. Let me show you my summer sweat-proof wig install routine. Okay, so today we are using a wig from GEETA hair, or GEETA. I don't know what it is. And it's this beautiful 13 by 6 250 density kinky straight wig, and I'd cut off some of the lace so that it's easier to work with, but I'm gonna cut off a bit more of that lace just now. But before I cut off the lace, I'm just gonna do a little bit more to customize it. Okay, so before I do anything crazy, I just want you guys to see what the wig is like. So I've used the bands that come with the wig just to make it tighter. So this is actually very tight right now. So before we go too far, the first thing that we need to do is we need to start by tinting the lace. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do to customize your lace is of course tint it. So luckily the hair that I got came pre-plucked already, so I don't have to do much when it comes to that. But I'm gonna start by tinting it using the EBIN New York tinted lace mousse, and this is in the shade dark brown. When applying a tint, you can use different methods. You can put it directly onto your lace, or you can put it on with a makeup brush. So I prefer starting by tinting my lace and then going back in if there's any part that I feel needs more. So I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. So look at how rich that color is. So this is what it looks like when it is on your lace. And don't worry about getting some on your hand. It comes right off. Just wash it off or use rubbing alcohol, just like you would with any other hair product. So another method you could do is just to apply it right on and then just spread it around using that makeup brush, like so. So as you can see, it is fully saturated and the whole of that perimeter is now the right color. So I'm just gonna let it dry before I do the install section, because you don't want it to lift at a later stage or to lift early. Okay, so before you start applying any other product for your install, you need to start by cleaning up the perimeter of your forehead just to make sure that there's no excess oil or makeup or whatever other product. I like to go in with this rubbing alcohol, so you can use any rubbing alcohol that you like. You can use any rubbing alcohol, but make sure it's over 70%. And then I'm just going to take a cotton pad and just apply it there. Once that's done, you're ready for the next step. So I've just put the wig on for the next step, but can you see how good that tint looks? It looks very much like my skin, and you're not starting off your install with white lace. Okay, so the next step is to hot comb the whole front, just to make sure you've got all the hairs out of the way, and it also just helps you to see everything that you're doing and make your lace lay flat. Going in with this Kara Care styling wax stick. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to apply it all along my hairline like so. So I'm starting with 1/2 so that you guys can see the difference. So I'm just going to hold onto the lace so that I don't burn myself, and then I'm just going to comb it in, run it in like any other comb. Okay, so look at that difference. So this side is laying nice and flat, and of course it's ready for install. There are no hairs in my way, and of course I can trim the lace a little bit back just like I said I would. Then of course this side, you know, she's still cute but she fluffy, okay? And you know, you obviously want your install to lay flat, even if it is a kinky straight install. So I've just cut off some of that excess lace, and the reason I'm starting this way is because you're probably trying to reinstall your own wig, so having that lace in the way is obviously not going to help. Also, this just makes my life easier. So we're going in with EBIN Wonder Lace Bond. This is the Extreme Firm Hold Adhesive. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to put little dots all across my forehead like so. I'm now going to go in with my tail comb. As you can see, it's got a brush side, comb side, and then it's got a metal side. This is also available at Sonke Concierge. So I'm just going to now spread my glue like so. Okay, so as you can see, it forms a thin line across the front once you spread it out. So I'm just going to let that dry clear, and then I'm going in with layer number 2 and then layer number 3. Okay, so once that first layer is dried clear, I'm going in with layer number 2. Okay, so eventually it dries clear, and even though it dries clear, it is still tacky. So can you see when I tap, it's still sticky to the skin. Look, this is the residue actually. So it's ready now. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure it's aligned on both sides because I don't want it to be bent. Okay, yeah, this is the spot. So I'm just going to move it forward and place it right on top like so. And because it's tacky, it just sticks right away. Like, it's like a dream. It just sticks right away. So you need to wait until it's tacky. It's a long wait, unless if you're using a blow dryer, you know, but it's definitely worth it because you instantly see the right results. You're going to take an elastic band or an old stocking. I'm using an old stocking. I just cut off the leg. And then you're going to place it right there. And you're going to tie it very, very tight That's gonna help apply the right kind of pressure for your install. Okay, so now you're just gonna let it melt in. I actually like to melt mine in while I do my makeup, even though you just need to leave it on for about 10 minutes. I get a longer hold when I leave it on longer, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay guys, so I'm back now. This band has been on for about 30 minutes while I did my makeup. I'm just gonna remove it now, but it's stuck. I think I tied it too tight. Okay, I got the band off, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Woo. Okay, so just peel it off gently. Like so. Okay. Look at that install. So clean. Look, oh, guys, it looks so good. And also, did you guys see how good a shade match that tint was? Because obviously I've got makeup on, but not all the way up to here. But look at how good it looks. So I'm just going to put some makeup along that edge because I'm wearing makeup. Okay guys, as you can see, my install is looking so good. However, I also like to go in with the melting spray. So this is the melting spray. It works just like spritz would. So yeah, so those who like to use spritz, this is a great alternative. So I'm just gonna put some on my hand and then just like this, like a little bit, and then just go all along my hairline just to melt in some more. But as you guys can see, that was a really good melt, and the tint, everyone just worked together really well. So yeah, don't put too much. You can spray it on if you want, but then if you've already done your makeup like me, then it's better to use your hand, because then it won't like run on your face or on your makeup. So that's just my pro tip for you. So once that spritz is on, I'm just gonna tie it one more time so that I can melt even further. So I'm just gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. Okay, so now we're just going to take off the band again. Do you see that install? Period. Even on the ear tabs. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm just going to go in again with my hot comb. Sorry about my face. I just sprayed more setting spray, but I'm just gonna go in some more, just all along my hairline, just to make sure everything is pulled back. Okay, that looks so good. Oh my goodness, what an install, what an install. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do a side part, nothing crazy. So I'm just gonna open here, and I'm just gonna use my brush to comb it over for now. Maybe I should leave it like that, because that was actually really nice. She looks so good. Okay, so I'm just going to hot comb along the area I've opened up. As you can see, the hair has no flyaways because of that wax stick. So besides just sleeking your hair back, it's also so great for flyaways. This is sensational. You guys know I'm not into baby hairs with my installs. After that, I like to just go in with my foundation along that partition. A lot of people use concealer, but I don't like how light that looks. I also want it to match with my bold cap and my lace tint. So as you can see, just adding some foundation along that opening just blends in with the rest of the work that I've done. Okay guys, so we're back, and as you can see, baby, what lace, what lace. Come on, show me the lace. But yeah, no, this install, too good. Honestly, too. That is how I do my sweat proof, summer proof, everything proof wig install using products from EBIN. I like to combine all of the products together because, as you can see, I get a good, really good install with it. So yeah, so I hope you guys found this video useful. Like I said before, all of these products are readily available from Sonke Concierge Services. They're located at 1 Portal Road in Highlands, which is the Portal Village. And yeah, they also have so many other amazing products that you can use for your wig. They also have really nice clothes, toiletries, and yeah, just a really wide range of products that you can shop from, and everything is original. So yeah, let them Tari sent you, and of course you'll get a little discount. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in to the video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.